Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change your iPhone passcode back to a 4-digit code. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and Passcode, and tap on it. Now, you'll need to enter your current passcode to proceed. Okay, you should now be in the Face ID and Passcode settings. Scroll down again until you see Change Passcode, and tap on that. Yup, you guessed it, you'll need to enter your current passcode one more time. Alright, now you'll be prompted to enter a new passcode. But hold on. We want a 4-digit one, right? So before you enter anything, look for passcode options just above the keyboard and tap on that. Here you'll see a few different options. Choose 4-digit numeric code. Great. Now you can enter the new 4-digit passcode you want to use. Go ahead and type it in. The system will then ask you to enter it again to confirm. So, type in that same 4-digit code one more time. Give it a few seconds, and bam! Your passcode should now be successfully changed to 4 digits. Now, just to be safe, scroll all the way back to the top of the Face ID and Passcode settings. Double-check that your Face ID settings are still the way you want them. Make sure everything is still set up correctly. Once you've checked that, you can exit out of the Settings app. The next time you need to enter your passcode, you can use the new 4-digit code you just set. Just a heads up, your old passcode might still work for the next 72 hours. This is in case you forget your new one. So, don't be surprised if you can still use it temporarily. So that's it. Pretty straightforward, right? If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.